There's two on the wire. There's one come down to the ground and one's still on the wire. That was the one over there. They know I got food in there.
They see me put food in it.
Yeah, they sit in the trees and watch.
They're so cute, ain't they?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the dark red is boys. The brown with some, like the one on this side, that's a girl.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look, they look like they're kissing.
There's a rabbit out there in the road. I had to make them another birdhouse to feed it. I said, "Who feed it?"
Oh, here comes one. Oh, the little finch. The little finch. Mom. I think that's what they
No,
call
that
her.
ain't finch. I don't know what that is, but that's not a finch. It's got black on her neck.
Oh. They can smell it.
Oh yeah.
Smell the food. Oh, ain't he pretty?
Oh, they're restless.
Oh, he's a pretty boy. Oh. Hungry babies. They wanted their dinner.
Yeah.